this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Transit 250. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and you do get that nice backup camera up there. We got rear park sensing, nice all-wheel drive emblem, Transit logo 250. You do get these nice two doors, can lock them from here, got that nice speaker system, tons of storage to put whatever you like in here. You got hooks, doodads, really customize this vehicle however you like. And to open the other door, you just move that, and you do get your side lock as well. Continue our look over on this side as well. We do got the nice van looking vehicle, got these nice trailer tow mirrors with heat. You got turn light indicators, and moving to the front, we got the license plate bracket, front park sensing, and that nice Ford grille. You do get a nice third door over here that does slide, allowing you to have easier access to your cargo. Plus, you got that side step and step in between these two front seats with tons of space. You do get a keyless entry keypad as well, which is pretty handy. You got that nice step on the driver's side, plenty of door space in the door. You got locks, your windows, mirrors, lights, auto stop, auto start, parking brake, and storage. Got another cup holder here, storage on the dash, and right here we do get some outlets and a 12-volt, which is all pretty nice. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 64.5 kilometers. We have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. We got your toggle for your screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Now looking at our screen here, we have trip 1 and 2, which is pretty handy. You got My View, which has your digital speedometer, so on and so forth, driving assist, phone, and vehicle settings. We got this nice grip step so you can get to the back easily. You do have your cup holders and gear select with your speeds. We have your park sensing, drive modes, and traction. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, slippery, tow and haul, and mud and rut. Continue your look here. We have our USB, 12-volt hazards. You got your climate controls, storage in the glove compartment, more storage ahead, which is all pretty handy. And we got our sound system, AM, FM, all that fun, Bluetooth. You got your phone, comm screen, and your settings. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KA08203, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.